What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great and have made a good profit with the help of our indicator strategy. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts about our indicator strategies in the comments. If you have any topics or suggestions, feel free to comment below. I'll be doing compounding with the help of the RSI indicator, and I'll be using stocks only. Let's see how it goes. First, we'll go to the indicators and select RSI. The default setting is RSI 14, which I'm using. Now, let's find a first trade on stocks for $100. On FedEx OTC, we have a trade for a downside move. If this candle closes near the RSI level of 50, then we can take the trade. Okay, the candle broke the RSI level of 50, so we'll avoid that trade. Let's come back to FedEx OTC. The candle is trying to close near the RSI level of 50. Okay, the candle closed near the RSI level of 50. So I placed the trade for a downside move on FedEx OTC worth $100. As you can see, the previous candle closed near the RSI level of 50, and there was also a downtrend. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. The trade isn't going in our favor at the moment. Okay, the candle came back and now the trade is going in our favor. Only a few seconds left. And I won my first trade of this compounding session. My balance has now increased to $192. Let's find our second trade for $192. On Amazon, we have a trade for an upside move. I'm waiting for the entry near the RSI. If this candle closes near the RSI level of 50, then we can try for the upside move. Let's wait for the candle to close. Okay, the candle reversed, so we'll avoid that trade. On Apple, we have a trade for the downside move. If this current candle gives us an entry, we can take the trade. Okay, we got an entry, and I placed the trade for a downside move on Apple OTC worth $192. As you can see, there's a continuity pattern, and we see a downtrend. The previous green candle also closed near the RSI level of 50. That's why I took this trade for the downside move, and the trade is going in our favor right now. Only a few seconds left. I won my second trade. My balance is now at $339. Let's find a trade for $339. On Amazon OTC, we have a trade for the upside move. I got a good entry near the RSI level of 50, and I placed the trade for an upside move on Amazon OTC worth $339. As you can see, there's an uptrend, and I placed the trade in the direction of the trend for the upside move. Currently, the trade is not going in our favor. Okay, the candle reversed and now the trade is going in our favor. We still have 14 seconds left. Only a few seconds left and I won my third trade. My balance is now $651. Let's find a trade for $651. On Visa, we have a trade for the downside move. I'm waiting for the candle to close near the RSI level of 50. Okay, the candle closed as a red candle, so we'll avoid that trade. On Pfizer OTC, we have a trade for the downside move, and I placed the trade for the downside move on Pfizer OTC worth $651. As you can see, we got an entry near the RSI level of 50. Currently, the trade is going in our favor, but let's see. Okay, the candle also closed near the RSI level of 50 as a green candle, and the next candle came back as a red candle, so the trade is going in our favor. Only a few seconds left, and I won my fourth trade. My balance is now $1,250. Let's find a trade for $1,250. On Tesla OTC, we have a trade for the downside move. I'm waiting for the candle to close near the RSI level of 50. Okay, the candle closed near the RSI level of 50 and I placed the trade for the downside move on Tesla OTC worth $1,250. The trade is currently going in our favor, but let's see. With only a few seconds left, the trade is still going in our favor, and I won my fifth trade. So now my balance has turned into $2,400. Let's find a trade for $2,400. On Visa OTC, we have potential trade for the upside move. If this current candle closes near the RSI level of 50, we can try for the upside move. Okay, the candle reversed and left a huge wick, but I decided to place the trade for the upside move worth $2,400. I placed the trade near the RSI level of 50, though I got an entry slightly higher due to the spike. Currently, the trade is not going in our favor, but we still have 40 seconds left. All of the candle reversed, and now the trade is going in our favor. Only 20 seconds left. With just a few seconds remaining, I won my 6th trade. My balance is now $4,608. Let's find a trade for $4,608. On Pfizer OTC, there's a potential trade if this current candle gives us an entry near the RSI level of 50. But the candle reversed and became a green one, so we'll avoid that as well. On Netflix, there's a potential trade. If the current candle closes near the RSI level of 50, then we can try for a downside move on the next candle. However, the candle was trying to reverse, so we'll avoid that trade as well. On Johnson & Johnson OTC, we have a trade for the downside move. I placed the trade for the downside move on Johnson & Johnson OTC worth $4,608. As you can see, I got an entry near the RSI level of 50, and the trade is going in our favor right now. Exactly when I placed the trade, the candle reversed and there's a downtrend. Currently, we have 38 seconds left. With only a few seconds left, it looks like a win. Yes, I won it. My balance has now turned into $8,848. So I made a good profit by starting with just $100 using the RSI indicator. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on the video. If you have any suggestions, any topics you'd like us to cover, or if you want a video on any specific indicator, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.